I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing tools and protecting finishes. This prevents scratches and electrical surprises. Put on gloves, apply trim tape to grill edges, and feel for fasteners behind the emblem. Once done, remove any visible screws with the correct T20/T25 driver and use a panel popper to release plastic clips gently. You want to expose the emblem mounting points without forcing them. That reduces breakage risk and makes the next steps predictable and controlled. Now you focus on the actual mounts, metal clips or adhesive. If clips hold the emblem, pry at the clip base so the clip unlatches rather than bending the emblem. If adhesive is used, warm the area with a heat gun at low setting to soften glue, then work fishing line or a plastic pick behind the badge to cut the adhesive slowly. Make sure to keep removed clips and screws organized, because reinstalling requires the same orientation for secure fit and correct sensor alignment. Finish by cleaning the mounting area. Remove glue residue with 70% isopropyl and a plastic-safe solvent, then dry thoroughly so new adhesives bond. Once clean, either fit replacement clips or use a thin layer of automotive-grade adhesive for a permanent badge-less look. Make sure parts align before curing. If something goes wrong and the emblem won't release, stop and reassess. Apply more heat, check for hidden screws, or consult a panel specialist to avoid breaking the grill.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.